I'm going to go over this two-way 180-degree borescope with light on this thing, and it's from the company DXZtoz. And you can see the model number right there. It's great for construction, inside walls, plumbing, looking down into pipes, aircraft, and definitely automotive. That's what I use it for the most right there. So we don't need the box anymore. We can just toss that aside. Let me show you what it is. By the way, I put a little label on mine, because I got a lot of different tools out here. So very nice case, good nice rubber handle on it. The case is high quality case. This is what it looks like right here. So up here, you've got a little kit, and I'll show you what's in this kit. You get a USB-C cable. This is all rechargeable. Some wipes for wiping the lenses off, and some additional little attachments. This is what I wanted to show you, is the little attachments that you get with it. So this one right here is a small little hook, and that one right there is a little magnet for picking stuff up, and that's a little kind of mirror. So that little mirror will give you a different angle on that. Very nice on that. We'll set this aside. Let's see what else is in here. Here's just a little owner's manual on how to use it, but that's what you got me for. I'm going to show you. So you open this up right here. You see you just got a screen like that, and it's a very thick cable. This has a very thick kind of premium feel to it. To put this thing on, you just line that up. There's where the memory card goes. By the way, you get it with a memory card. Let me show you. You get a 32 gig memory card that comes with it. To hook it up, just line it like that, push it on there. When you push it on there, lock it into place. Now it will not slide off. All it does is stop it from sliding off right there. To turn it on, push the button. I don't know how well you can see it coming on in the camera. We are on, everybody. Let me move you a little closer down here and show you what this thing looks like. By the way, here's the light. Y'all see how the light, and watch this. Is that not cool? It just wiggles around right there. Let me try to show you exactly what I'm seeing here. So the best thing about one of these borescopes, let's say there's like an engine. You can look down inside the cylinder, but let's say I can't see, I need to get a part number off a part. I can scroll this, I can push this down in there, move it around, and y'all see how I can look. And then I can take a picture just like this. So this button right here will zoom in. That's a zoom in. Oh, by the way, that's a zoom in. And that's the light on and off. This one push is the picture. Hold it down, and y'all see that little red light right there? It is officially recording right now. So I'm scrolling around down there. See how I can move it around and see behind my engine? So I'm looking back there at the back where the manifold is. So if I seen a crack in the manifold, or maybe a wire that's unplugged or something, man, that could be so handy when working on an engine. Because see, I can't see that. I can crawl up under it and try to see from the bottom, but you're blocked by all that pan and everything. I just went right down through there. And if I've got like a engine leak, say like some oil or some coolant coming out, I could sit here and then run it and see where it's coming out at. And it's officially recording. So all this is recorded. And then if I want to stop the recording, I hit the button. It just flashed. The recording is stopped. Let me take it in here in the dark and I'll show you what this thing looks like. Okay, so I went ahead, I just hit this, I hold this button down, which brings up this video. Watch this. So I'm gonna hit OK, which is this button. Once it starts playing, now this is the video I just made. Y'all see that? I'm moving it around, I'm looking inside the housing of the engine. I'm moving it around a lot, but there's the bottom of the motor. There's the actual back of the transmission. That'd be so hard to see that without this borescope. There's the actual transmission. There's the back of the muffler. And I'm showing you guys what I just filmed by sticking this down in there. So I stuck that down in there and I'm showing you what I filmed. I can see my O2 gauge, my O2 plug is right there. So if I had a problem, maybe I just got a O2 plug wire that's got melted or something. I've had other products from this company before and I was very impressed with them. And now I got this right here. This is gonna be my go-to borescope for pretty much a wide variety of things, whether I'm working on a house, working on an engine, or just kind of like playing around with stuff in general. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the DXZtoz borescope. See y'all in the next video.